Hello world! Welcome back to another picoCTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we're going to be going through the file-run1 challenge. This is a reverse engineering challenge and it is worth 100 points. Let's get into it. A program has been provided to you. What happens if you try to run it on the command line? Download the program here. Okay, so this will be a pretty quick challenge. I'm just going to tell you that. All you really need to know is, oftentimes, I don't know if the permissions were necessarily preserved here, but oftentimes you'll need to add the execution bit to the file. So here, I'll just show you. If you do ls-tac-l, you'll see like all the permissions that are set. And I'm the owner of the file, so I have read, write, and execute permissions on the file by default. Now, I did not have to add those in. They were there by default. And I don't know if that's a Kali, and I can't quite remember if that's just a Kali thing now or what, but don't presume that you have execution rights on a file that you put on your system, okay? You may have to turn off the read-only flag or do whatever, right, to make it executable. So that's just a heads up, and you can easily do that by doing chmod 777 or whatever. The execution bit is represented by either an X, so you could also do +X to add the execution bit, or you could do, hell, you could even do 111 if you wanted to, because the execution bit is 1. 77 comes from X is 1, W for write is 2, and R for read is 4. Now the 3 slots represent, so this first set of 3, it's in groupings of triplets, right? The first set is the owner, the second set is the group. So since I'm a single user and I don't belong to a group, my group is by default just my user, right? So almond milk. And then the last one is everyone else. So if I set 777, everybody will have read, write, and execute permissions for that file. If I wanted to just set it for everyone and not me or the group, I could literally just do chmod 007, which would mean that everybody can execute it still, even me, right? Because it's everyone else. So anyways, that's besides the point. Let's just go ahead and clear out this challenge real quick. We'll just say /run. And there you go. You just have to run it and you get your flag. Also, one thing you can do is do file and then, type in the file that you want. And then it'll even tell you. Now, it doesn't always tell you, but if it knows what the file signature is on the file, it can tell you what type of file it is. This is an ELF, so executable Linux file, and it's a 64-bit version of it. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.